Hello students, welcome back to the class, and today we are going to discuss the multiple choice questions and assertion reasoning based questions from the chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction. I hope that you have gone through my previous videos in which I have discussed various objective type questions of the other chapters of class 10 science. If you haven't gone through those videos, I will put the link in the I button and you can visit them. So without wasting much time, let us get straight into the questionnaire. The first question says, what is the radius of curvature of a plane mirror? Plane mirror does not have any point of curvature. So we will find that the radius of curvature will not be a point of question here, and that is why it will lie at infinity, and option C will be the correct answer for this question. Next question says, an incident ray falls normally on a glass slab. What is the angle of refraction? On a glass slab or any other surface, if the incident ray falls at an angle, that is obliquely, then only it may bend towards the normal or it may bend away from the normal. But if the ray falls normally on the glass slab or any other surface, then there is no point of refraction, and that is why 0 degree will be the answer for this question. Next question says, the focal length of a small concave mirror is 2.5 centimeter. In order to use this concave mirror as a dentist's, the distance of the tooth from the mirror should be. Students, we know that this is a concave mirror, and in the question it is said that focal length is 2.5 centimeter. And if we place the object between the focus and the pole, then what we observe that image which is formed is erect and virtual, and it will be magnified, and that is why it will be giving a better image of the tooth to the dentist, and that is why we can say that the focal length should be less than 2.5 centimeter, and that is why the option is 1.5 centimeter. Next question says, the speed of the light in a transparent medium is 0.6 times as that of the speed in the vacuum. What is the refractive index of the medium? If we consider the speed of light in the medium as v, and this will be 0.6 c. Okay, and according to the formula of refractive index, we know that it is the speed of light in the vacuum upon the speed of the light in any of the medium. And if we calculate this, we get an answer of 1.66, and that is why option D will be the correct answer. Question number 5 says, does refractive index vary with color of the light? Students, we know that in the visible range there are 7 colors, out of which violet is the one which refracts the most and red is the one which refracts the least, and that is why it definitely depends upon the color of the light, and option A will be the correct answer for this question. Next question says, what should be the position of the object when a concave mirror is to be used in torches producing parallel beam of light? Parallel beam of light never meets anywhere, they meet at the infinity, and that is why the position of the object should be at the focus. Next question says, no matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be. If the image appears to be erect, then the image also should be virtual in the case of a mirror, and that mirror will be always either a plane mirror, convex mirror, and that is why option D is the correct answer. Next question says, magnification produced by a rear view mirror fitted in vehicles is. Students, we all know that as a rear view mirror, we always use convex mirrors, and if we see in these mirrors, the images appear to be very small as that of the size of the object, and that is why the magnification should be always less than 1. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. Next question says, if you are given a water, mustard oil, glycerine and kerosene, which of these media a ray of light incident obliquely at the same angle would bend the most? The ray of light bends the most depending upon the density of the liquid or the refractive index of the medium. And out of these 4 options of water, mustard oil, glycerine and kerosene, glycerine is highly dense liquid, and that is why the answer will be glycerine. Next question says, find the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection from the diagram. Here the angle of incidence is this one, okay, and it will be 55 degrees because the normal ray always is perpendicular to the surface, and that will be 90 degree. And if it is 55 degrees, then angle of reflection will also be 55 degrees because of loss of reflection of light, and that is why option C is the correct answer. Next question says, an object is placed before a spherical mirror, the image is found to be virtual for all the positions of the object. Name the spherical mirror. If the mirror is a spherical mirror and the images are always virtual for all the positions, the mirror should always be a convex mirror. Sin I upon sin R is a constant, and this is explained through Snell's law. It is a law of refraction. Next question says, a light ray enters from medium A to medium B as shown in figure. The refractive index of medium B relative to medium A will be. So as you can see here, the incident ray is moving from medium A and it is moving into medium B, and while doing so, it is moving away from the normal. So we can say that medium B will be a rarer medium, whereas medium A is a denser medium. So medium B refractive index with relative to medium A will always be greater than unity. Next question says, a convex lens produces a magnification of +5, where the object should be placed. Students, if it is a convex lens, we know that if the object is placed at the focus, then the image will be formed at the infinity, and if we place it at 2f, then the image will be formed at the 2f and it will be real and inverted. But the magnification is +5, it means that the image will be always found on the same side as that of the object. So if we place the object at between f and optical center, then the image which is formed will be on the same side and it will be formed between 2f and f, and that is why we get a magnified image and which is larger than the objects, and that is why the correct answer will be when the object is placed between the focus and optical center, that is less than the focal length. So option D will be the correct answer. Next question says, a 2 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 cm. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 cm. Find its magnification. Students, according to the question, we know that u, that is object distance, is minus 15 cm. Focal length for the convex lens is always positive, that is 10 cm. The image distance we have to find out. So if we put the lens formula, then according to the lens formula, what we get the values as plus 115 equal to 1 upon 10 and 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 15, and this will be, so V is 30 centimeter. So if we get V as 30 centimeter, now we will find out the magnification, and its formula is V upon U. We know that the value of image distance is 30 centimeter and object distance is minus 15 centimeter, and then when we calculate it, it provides us the answer of -2. It means that the image is inverted and real, and the answer will be option D, that is -2. Next question says, we can get real and highly diminished or diminished size of image by convex lens in the following conditions when object is placed at. We get highly diminished image when we keep the object at infinity, and we get diminished size of image when we keep the object beyond 2f1, and that is why option A will be the correct answer. Next question says, there are certain rules for image formation in spherical mirror. Which of the following are applicable in convex mirrors? In a convex mirror, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection appears to diverge from the focus. It is a correct statement. Second statement says, in a convex mirror, a ray of light directed towards the center of curvature after reflection is reflected back along the same direction. It is also the correct statement. Third is, in a convex mirror, a ray of light passing through the optical center goes without any deviation. This is incorrect. Fourth statement says that in a convex mirror, a ray of light directed towards the focus after reflection goes parallel to the principal axis, and it is also a correct statement. So, option B is the correct answer for this question. Next question says, the properties of image formed by plane mirrors are: plane mirror always form virtual images, plane mirror form lateral inverted images are not formed by plane mirrors, and size of the image is equal to the size of the object. So it is also a correct statement. So 1, 2 and 4, it is shown by option 4 D. It is the correct answer. Next question says, when the object is placed between the pole of the mirror and its principal focus of a concave mirror, what would be the characteristic of the image? When the object is placed between the pole of the mirror and the principal focus of the mirror of a concave mirror, then the image will be virtual and it will be erect. And it will be also larger than that of the size of the object. That is why first, second and fifth statement is the correct one, and option A is the correct answer for this question. Next question says, we use concave mirrors in day-to-day. Commonly, concave mirrors are used by dentists. It is used as a shaving mirror. It is not used as a traffic mirror, and it is not used as a rear view mirrors, and it is also used as a reflectors in torches. So first, second and fifth statement is correct. Again, option C will be the correct answer for this question. Next question is assertion and reasoning type question. Assertion states that higher is the refractive index of the medium, lesser is the velocity of light in that medium. So this is a true statement. Reason states that refractive index is inversely proportional to the velocity. It is also a true statement, as reason is giving the explanation to assertion, and that is why option A will be the correct answer for this question. In the next question, assertion states that when a concave mirror is held under water, its focal length will increase. Focal length of any of the mirrors does not get affected by the medium. That is why it is a false statement. Reason states that the focal length of a concave mirror is independent of the medium in which it is placed. It is a true statement, and that is why option D is the correct answer. Next question says, refractive index has no unit. It is a true statement. Reason states that the refractive index is the ratio of two similar quantities. It is also a true statement. Reason is giving the explanation to assertion, and that is why option A is the correct answer. In the next question, assertion states that an object placed at distance of 15 cm from a convex mirror of focal length 15 cm, its image will be formed at infinity. If the object is placed at the focus, its image will definitely formed at infinity, and that is why it is a true statement. Reason states that the distance of the image in convex mirror can never be infinity. It is also a false statement, and option C is the correct answer for this question. In the next question, assertion states that property of converging and convergent lens does not remain same for all media. It is a false statement because the medium does not affect the converging lens of a converging property of any of the lenses. Reason states that property of lens, whether the ray is diverging or converging, is independent of the surrounding medium. It is a true statement, and that is why option D is the correct answer for this question. So that is all, students. We have discussed the MCQs and assertion reasoning questions from the chapter Light. If you have liked the content, please put the likes on the video, share this video amongst your friends, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and help the channel to grow. Thanks for watching this video till this moment. Take care of yourselves. See you until next time with yet another video of objective questions. Until then, see you.